Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper ladder. So let's get started. So for this activity, I'm taking a sheet of paper which measures 21 centimeter in length and 4 centimeter in width. So first, I'm folding the paper into 3 parts. So I folded it into 2 parts and now I'm folding it into 3. So after I'm done folding, I have to take some sellotape and tape it on the top and bottom piece of the paper. So I'm taping it on the top first, and now I'm taping it on the bottom. So after you're done taping, we have to do the same step with another piece of paper. So I've already done it. So now we have 2 strips of paper like this. Now we have to take the small 8 strips that we had. We have to take 8 small strips of brown paper. Then we have to tape it from the top to bottom. So first I'm taking some tapes and I'm sticking it here so it will be easy to tape it later. So first we have to keep one piece of small paper here and we have to tape it. Then we have to take another piece of tape and tape it on the opposite side as well. So now we have to stick the papers from top to bottom. This is an easy way of making a ladder, and it will be a very beautiful ladder, and it will also be strong enough that you can keep any dolls to climb on it too. For example, this baby is climbing on it here. So I'm taking another strip and I'm gluing it onto the bottom of the first paper. So now I stick 2 papers, now I'm sticking the rest of the papers as well. So I only have 3 more strips left to tape. And we have to tape it strong enough, because if you didn't tape it strongly, it might tear off while we are playing with it. So I'm almost going to be done. We only have 1 more strip left. So this is the last strip and I'm keeping it in the bottom and I'm taping it. So finally our paper ladder is ready. This is an easy way of making a paper ladder. So if you see this ladder, I drew some brown lines to make it more beautiful. So you guys can also do the same step and draw more lines here as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!